Good afternoon. How are you?
Fine, sir. How are you, sir?
I am fine. Thank you. Shivam.
Thank you, sir.
We are respected district education officer, Ashok sir. Okay, you know very well, I think. Do you know?
Yes, sir.
Our district was education department. Okay, sir came to know, came here to motivate you for 10th class students, especially we are going to write SSC public exam. So sir want to interact with you. Okay.
What's your name? Huh? Revant. Good. What is your father? I'm not asking. What? Your father name is Kullaya. Then what is your father occupation? What do you do? Beauty parlor. Okay, good. Right. Are you coming regularly? How much marks did you get in essay 1? 348. Good. In maths?
45.
45 out of?
80.
Okay, 80. You have to improve in maths. Are you practicing regularly? Whatever teachers are teaching, you have to come to school every day without applying the leave. When you attend the classes regularly, definitely you will get a good marks. If you absent irregular, marks will be very poor marks. Be careful. Only 3 months are left for a final exam, 4 exam. They are be regular. Every day you practice in a study hour. Whatever you get doubts, clarify with each subject. Okay? అందరూ పాస్ అవుతున్నారు. చాలా మంది ఉన్నారు.
చాలా
మ్యాథ్స్ లో తీసుకుంటారు.
మీకు వాస్ సార్
ఓకే.
సార్
ప్రతిరోజు ప్రతి చాప్టర్కి టెస్ట్ కండక్ట్ చేయమని అట్లా ప్రతి లెసన్కి ప్రతి చాప్టర్కి టెస్ట్ కండక్ట్ చేస్తే వాళ్ళకి కొంత ఇంప్రూవ్మెంట్ ఖచ్చితంగా ఒక నెల రోజుల తర్వాత కనిపిస్తుంది. అప్పటికప్పుడే కనిపిస్తున్నా కానీ ఆఫ్టర్ 1 month 2 months definitely they will get to the exam in final exams.
Pray.
Now itself today only start. ఈ lesson from the class